Welcome to Clear Lake Drive. Here's Ethel sitting on her nest, keeping those eggs warm. Twice a day she gets up to eat, in the morning and the evening. The rest of the time, here she sits. Let's back out a little bit, less bumpy. Yeah. We'll have to see what Fred is up to. All he does is chase away his enemies. Speaking of Fred, here at Clear Lake Drive, there he sits, keeps himself all pretty, keeps his eye out for troublemakers. He's going to have to wait a while for those babies to show up, probably about another week.